Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about another research article. It is about length-weight relationship and condition factor of Pondrayard juvenile Oreocomis niloticus. Let's go to the introduction. Oreocomis niloticus is a bony fish which belong to the family Cichlidae, and they are commonly referred to as tilapias. Tilapia can be broadly classified into three subgenera, which are mainly the Tilapia, Sarotherodon and Oreocomis species, the latter two being mostly mouth brooders. The family Cichlidae is highly diversified with a wide area of distribution spreading across Africa and most part of India and Ceylon. Oreocomis niloticus could be easily identified by dark bands or strips found on their bodies, which are most prominent in mature forms. They inhabit fresh waters and water bodies of low salinity, as is typically of most tilapia species. Tilapia ranks among the most commercialized fishes. They can also be termed plastic animals, in the sense that whereas most animals conform fairly closely to a general pattern of growth and usually achieve a certain size and lifespan which is characteristic of the species, their growth rate and maximum obtainable size may be seriously affected by the physical and biological composition of their environment. Length-weight relationships give information on the condition and growth patterns of fish. Fish are said to exhibit asymmetric growth when length increases in equal proportions with body weight for constant specific gravity. The regression coefficient for isometric growth is 3, and values greater or lesser than 3 indicate allometric growth. Condition factor studies take into consideration the health and general well-being of a fish as related to its environment. Hence, it represents how fairly deep-bodied or robust fishes are. The biology of many tilapia species in natural systems is well documented. However, not much work has been done on the condition factor or well-being of fishes in privately managed fish farms, especially at the juvenile stage of development. The condition of these juveniles is important as they are the ones used in stocking fish farms. The present study aims at providing information on the length-weight relationship and condition factor of Oreocomis niloticus in Sanniluba fish farm, Ijebu Ode, with a view to determining whether the fishes are in good condition. And description of experimental site. Sanniluba fish farm is located in Ijebu Ode, southwest Nigeria. It is located at approximately latitude 650 N and longitude 357E. The farm is about 4 by 3 kilometers large and there are 4 operational fish ponds for rearing various species. It lies within the tropical rainforest and it is surrounded by tall trees with green leaves. There are 2 seasons found in this area and these are the dry season extending from October to March and the rainy season from April to September. Mean annual temperature range between 22 Celsius and 32.5 Celsius, reaching its highest value in the dry season. Okay, this is all about introduction about this paper. Meet you again with the new research article. Thank you very much.